Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Shootvilla Curve 120 motorized video camera slider. This particular slider comes in this bag. That's a great addition. Makes it easier to carry this slider around. I'm going to open this bag now and I'm going to show you what the slider and its various components look like. So we open from here. I'll just turn this around towards me and open it from here. So there you go, you can see all the components lined up over here. This is the 120-degree curve along which the slider operates. Take this out. I'm going to take all these components out and then show them to you. Remove this. This is what you find inside this particular kit. So this is the curved slider against which this particular base plate we will attach. This is the sliding plate. This is what we will attach on top. In another video, I will show you how all of this is done. This is the slider with the motor over here as well. There is a power outlet for this particular motor. And so the slider will go on top. Slider will go on top like this. And this is a remote control for when you want to do much more precise movement using this particular slider. So basically you have to attach a battery here and then connect it to this motor using this wire over here. And once that's done, as you will notice, these connectors are the same. There you can see motor out, it's written over here. So you connect this to the motor and then you can use this remote to control it. This is the charging brick and the charging cable for this particular slider. This is a travel universal adapter that comes with this, and also a surge protector that comes with this particular kit. In this particular packet we have some screws and hexagonal keys. When you want to tighten the different parts of this particular slider, for instance these mounts, you have to attach it to the slider by using the hexagonal keys. So basically these are the mounts that we use to make sure that the camera is in place. And this is it. This is what you find inside the bag containing the Shootvilla Curve 120 motorized video camera slider. Thank you for watching.